How to lock your Facebook profile officially. Want to make your Facebook profile more private? In this video, I'll show you how to officially lock your Facebook profile in just a few easy steps. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to protect. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap your profile picture or your name to open your Facebook profile page. Step 3. Tap the three dots. On your profile page, tap the three-dot menu located next to the Edit Profile button. Step 4. Select Lock Profile. From the menu that appears, tap Lock Profile. Facebook will display information explaining what happens when your profile is locked. Step 5. Tap Lock Your Profile to confirm. Tap the Lock Your Profile button to confirm. If the feature is available for your account, your profile will be locked instantly. Important note: if you don't see the Lock Profile option, it may not be available in your country or for your account. Facebook offers this feature only in supported regions. That's it. You've successfully learned how to officially lock your Facebook profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.